Good morning, third grade, and welcome to Writer's Workshop for today. We're going to be writing a short personal narrative. Now, it can be true, or you can make it not true for this activity. I want you to be creative in your answers. Now, our instructions are to write a narrative about the time you got an incredible gift, an incredible Christmas gift. As you are writing, remember to add a hook, a question, dialogue inside your writing. So I'm going to give you an example and then you may go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the beginning. Have you ever received the most incredible gift? When I was 14 years old, my stepdad gave my sister and I, so it's my sister and me, one I would never forget. Then I'm going to add the middle, all of the body, the context. It started when we were sitting at the dinner table. Now I'll add some dialogue. My stepdad said, "I need both of you to go sit on the couch." We were both nervous. We were in trouble. But then he pulled out 2 tickets to the Broadway musical Lion King. Now I'll add the end. We were both so excited we could not hold it in. Tears ran out of our eyes. I will never forget this Christmas present for as long as I live. So as you are going back and checking through your work, here are the things you need to make sure you have. You need to have a hook at the beginning. You need to have dialogue. And you need to have transitions. So some examples of a transition is like a word then, when I'm transitioning to the next part. Once you're finished with your story in your writer's workshop, I want you to record yourself reading it out loud and fix anything that is not what you meant. I'd click this and record it. Have you ever received the most incredible gift? When I was 14 years old. And then I'll put it up here at the top. Make sure you fix any capital letters, punctuation, and then you are complete.